Hi everyone, welcome to today's unboxing. As you can see, we're opening up the Be Kind box by Ellen. So this is the fall box. I think it is so cute. So you get 7 socially conscious products handpicked by Ellen worth almost $200, and it's $49.49. I tried to look and see if I have a promo code. I couldn't find one, but I did email about it. But I'm going to link down below their website. It's not affiliated. That could change, though. I'll let you know in the description if I do get a link. But yeah, you can cancel this anytime. It's seasonal. And I remember I've gotten this at least one time before and I really enjoyed it. But I think it's been a while. So I was really excited when I saw this at my door. I mean, it's so cute. So let's get this open and see what we got. How are you guys doing, by the way? Did you have a good weekend? Oops, sorry, just hit the... I'm going to have to blur out my address. I'm doxing myself. Cute. Can you guys see this? Let me put it up a little bit. How cute is that? So fall is upon us, and we wanted to share some of our favorite products with you from 7 brands that we love. They're bringing us joy and also have made a conscious decision to do better in the world. Yes, everything in here is eco-friendly. Love that. And here's a magazine. Well, pretty much is a magazine. Oh, it's so cute. So, edition 16. So it talks about the brands inside. So I'll just leave this. Let's put it right here. Ooh, I'm excited. I literally just put mine in the wash. This looks so cute. Okay, but anyways, this is Geometry. It's made from recycled material, kitchen tea towel, 18 inches by 30 inches. This looks so cute. So my colors, oh my gosh. Say hello to your new favorite towel. It feels really nice, different. We believe in sustainability. Our design's inspired by the beauty of the world around us. They're committed to the environment by using post-consumer recycled materials. That is awesome. It's made from 2 recycled plastic bottles. So it's quick drying. Yeah, it kind of just feels like that. It feels unlike any other towel. It's so soft. I wouldn't think it's from plastic, you know. GeoWave fabric cleans with less chemicals, and it has next level absorbency, holding up to 7 times its weight. This is so cute. I love this design. This will go so well in my place. I have a lot of greens. I just have a colorful place, and I love this. And it feels so soft. This is so cute. Okay, starting off with a bang. Let's see. Should I look and see how much everything costs as we go through? How about this? Unless I can't find. Oh, here it is. Okay, cool. The value is $17. Oh, cool. And they have codes for the companies in here as well. That is so cute. I'm so excited about this. Let's move on. Oh my gosh. I'm super excited. I just put like clear nail polish on. My hands are kind of gnarly. I'm going to Chicago on Friday for like 5-6 days, and I should put this on before I go. Sorry if you just heard my ice machine that randomly makes ice really loud. All right, now perfect timing. But anyways, Color Street, 100% real nail polish strips. There's 16 in here. This is a great color for fall. I've used these peel ones before, and sometimes you fold them over and then file them off, and that's how it works best. It says get a brilliant salon quality manicure in minutes with Color Street, 100% real nail polish strips. So easy to apply with no dry time. I love that. That's why I don't really like nail polish. I ruin it every time. I can't not use my hands. Are there 2 kinds? Oh my goodness. Sweet. So you can like mix up, like you can have like a party finger, whatever the hell they call it. Like, you know, people do like 1 finger sparkly, or you can switch it up. Oh my gosh, this is so fun. I love that. Let's find these in here. I love that we get 2. Ooh, I can see you getting a little peek. Okay, here they are. $24. This is awesome. This is the Color Street Foundation has pledged $1 million as the national signature partner for March for Babies 2022. Oh, so they give back too. Love this. Made in the USA. I think these are super fun colors. I love that color, and this is fun to add in too. Awesome. I saw this. I'm super excited about this. CosRX. I've tried like one or 2 of their products before, and I love them. It's been a while. So this is their vitamin C23 super vitamin E and hyaluronic acid. It improves skin condition, even skin tone. Highly concentrated 23% pure vitamin C that visibly improves the appearance of uneven, dull skin complexions and signs of aging. I need this. This is $25. Yeah, their stuff is like relatively expensive for what you get. I mean, $25 isn't like that cheap, but sometimes serums can be a lot of money, especially those concentrated ones. This is a Korean beauty brand. Powerful yet affordable. Yeah, that's what I was saying. Skincare solutions. I'm super excited about this. Let's see. You can see the packaging right here. Comes with a dropper, which is nice. Okay, well wait, because it's under. No, we're going for it. You guys, I'm like getting all my like happy, excited hands. I love stuff like this. Oh my god, yay! So this is by MC Squares. Their organizational tools to help you simplify your day-to-day and clear the clutter wherever you aspire. So, oh my god, it's like a little planner with markers. Here, let me get this open. So throw kindness like confetti. Oh, yay. Oh, I see something else. Okay, everything in here is so me. I love this. So here we have by Tacky Smudge-Free Wet Erase. Beautiful erasable markers. Oh, Emmy heard my excitement. She's rubbing against. Hi, Emmy. Hi. She's saying hi, you guys. Whiteboards, chalkboards, windows, porcelain, ceramic glass. Oh, and I love it. It comes in an array of colors. Also, I have like a whiteboard on my fridge, and I accidentally wrote on it with Sharpies. It won't come off. I haven't tried. I think you can use like isopropyl alcohol or something, but these are nice. They'll erase. Hi, Annie. And then let's see what we have here. So these are little. Be kind every day. So these like little. They're reusable sticky notes and planners. Oh, that's so cool. You can read them up to 2,000 times. I'm always writing notes. This will be so nice. So you just stick this somewhere. Oh my god, yes. This is perfect. I am so excited. And then here's the days of the week. So these are stickers you put somewhere. Yeah, they're like, yeah, see that? I love this. I can like plan my week, which I'm trying to get more organized and doing that. Here's some examples of these. What a cool brand. And then it doesn't use paper. And then this is throw kindness like confetti, little notepad. I love this. This is such a good idea and so eco-friendly. I'm so excited. I love stuff like this. Let's find it in here. Oops. This has a retail value of $34. A weekly planner, reusable sticky notes, and mini notepad with smudge-free tacky markers. And they plant over 50,000 trees and counting. That's so cool. I love that. Okay, let's move on. We got a makeup item. What a good array of stuff. And we have like 2 other things after this, it looks like. So Grande Cosmetics. This is the Grande Mascara Conditioning Peptide Mascara in Rich Black. Cool. So since it has peptides, it conditions your lashes, and I think it helps them grow. Let's see. Longer, healthier, clump-free lashes. Cool. 93% said it didn't clump, and 94% saw healthier lashes. I'm actually in need of a new mascara. I'm using like a sample size or deluxe size of one right now. I remember seeing this in the past, but I think I gave it away. Like I do a lot of things. But I'm going to keep this out. I love this gold and bougie. Love it. Let's see. It's like, I'm guessing $24. Let's see if I'm right. 25. Oh, well, I didn't go over. Price is Right rules. Dress for Success. Susan G. Komen. Oh, cool. They partner with Susan G. Komen and Dress for Success and a few other organizations, to name a few. Cool. I've tried, I have a blush by them I've been using. I really love. It's like super pigmented and it like plumps up your skin too. And yes, it's my micellar water. I could use some of this. Urban Hydration Lemon and Berries Micellar Cleansing Water. Oh my god, this sounds amazing. Lemons are natural, astringent, and detoxifiers and help rejuvenate and add back luster to dull skin. Our berry blend helps promote a healthy, youthful appearance by plumping, hydrating, and brightening the skin. This is awesome. I go through these, and this one is 500 ml. This will last, and it sounds awesome. Because I think I have one. I haven't opened it because I think it's non-cruelty free. Everything in this box is cruelty free. Is it like, it's really popular. Oh, so I'll probably put that in a giveaway now that I have this because I didn't open it because I felt a little guilty about it. This is $25. And wow, they give, Oh my God, that's so cool. In partnership with Water is Life, nearly 1 billion people now have access to safe drinking water. I love that all these companies give back. I think that is so cool. And the last item here, I'm super pumped about. Oh my God, you guys, I was just talking to someone the other day about how I want to like make my own little apothecary. Like I have a bunch of herbs, but I want to put them in jars. And look at this, savvy and sorted 146 white pre-printed minimalist spice jar labels. So I think these might already have words on them. This is so cool, which is totally fine. Because I can use these spices too, you know, my herbs. Exactly. Why am I saying it's fine? Spices and herbs are pretty similar. And there's some blank ones too. That is so cool. Look how many there are. Now I can like really get everything I need. And like for cooking too, because I'm cooking more these days. Oh my God. So this is $25. And I love the minimalist look. This is what they look like. Oh my gosh, those jars. I want to get that size. That's really cute. So Savvy and Sorted, they probably donate to the Great Barrier Reef Foundation. I love that. Let's open this and look at a few. You guys, I loved this box. I like every single item. It's such a good mix. Home stuff, makeups, beauty stuff, skincare. Oh my God. I think this is like the best box I've opened in a while. Like I love every single thing. I never thought I would be so excited about this. This might be like, oh my God, look how, it's going to make me look like I have like my shit together. I think like my kitchen's going to be even cuter. Oh my God, this, and I love that you can check things off like when you use them if you want to. This is so cute. There's so many of them. 100 and what? 146? I love getting home stuff now. And I love beauty stuff still. So we got so much good stuff. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Every single item, you guys. Every single item excites me. This is awesome. To be honest, I wasn't in like the best mood today. I woke up with like a weird energy. You know how that happens sometimes? Like nothing really specifically wrong. This perks me up. I love every single item. I love that we got these two opposed to regular nail polish. Like I'm gonna totally use them. Get multiple colors. Yeah, I honestly like every single item. Definitely recommend this. I'll try and get a code for you guys, but I think this still like we get over $200 for $49.49. Love that. Emmy's rubbing against the tripod. Emmy, what do you think? Want to say hi really quick? Or say goodbye? Say goodbye, Emmy. Hi. She's like, why'd you put me up here? There's no room. Want to get in the box? You can try. She tries to get in the littlest of boxes. But anyways, that's it for today, guys. I love this box. You can tell. I'm going to go help Emmy get off this table because there's not a lot of room. Are you okay, Emmy? Yeah. You're okay. Oops, we got some cat butt. So bye, everyone. I love you so much. Sorry, cat butt just flashed you. I will link them below again. Like I said, I love you. Please subscribe if you haven't already. So I will see you tomorrow. Bye.